Fast, slow, fast is like a metronome that gradually slows down and speeds back up again to allow you to refine your technique of a rudiment, groove on drum kit, or a musical phrase. Select one of the subdivisions in the playlist below, then use the timestamps in the description to select a specific BPM range and let the play along gradually slow down from your selected starting tempo all the way to 40 beats a minute, and then gradually speed back up to your starting tempo. You can find thousands more free play alongs using the link at the top of each video's description, or by using the drumline playlist in my channel's home tab. For tips on how to practice these play alongs, see the drumming tips playlist for several hours of free drumming tips from someone who's been playing drums since 1998 and is an award-winning educator who has been teaching since 2003 and has a bachelor's, master's, and PhD in music education. If you have a question on how to improve your playing or teaching, feel free to leave a comment on my videos or in the chat during a drumming live stream. Friendly FYI that videos labeled as members first are for members who want early access to hundreds of videos that are currently scheduled to release daily to the public. Click the join button below if you'd like to become a channel member for early access to all of my content, but know that the best way that you can support me for free is to simply engage with and share my free content with other drummers, educators, or gamers.